Welcome into the Flippin Hippos reseller channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you haven't yet, please consider helping us feed our hungry hippos by hitting the thumbs up or subscribing to the channel, or both. Today we're doing another unboxing. This is the third box of clothing from my huge buyout I did from another reseller. If you want to know where these came from and how much I paid and all of those details, I will have the first two videos pop up at the end for you, and you can watch those and see what the previous boxes contained. But today I'm just going to jump right on into the box. This should be coming out on Saturday, the 25th. I'm pre-recording. I'm actually recording all my unboxings in one day. But let's just jump on in with this box and see what I got. And we're going to start off with these universal thread. This is kind of a poop brand, but I only paid her $1 for these shorts, and they're shorts. So a lot of times brands that I would avoid for jeans, if they're new at tags, or if they're shorts, I make the exception. I will buy poop stuff for $1 new at tags from the thrift or from Jay or wherever all day long. And shorts also tend to be different than jeans. These are new at tags Lee trousers. So this is a pretty decent recognized brand. It does have a loyal following. I do buy the Lee jeans used all the time to resell. These are mid-rise regular fit trousers. They are a size 6 short. So that's going to be one of those sizes that's kind of average. So they may sit a while, but they may not because they're new at tags. I like new tags. We got two. This is a really generic brand called A New Day. However, new in the bag, new with tags, and there's two of them. So I only have to make one listing and make both available. I did touch briefly in the last video about how it is soon going to be the time of year when people start getting their tax returns back. So I am excited to have a lot of new with tag stuff to put up. People will be shopping. This is a Peter Millar new tag. So this is a brand when we first started reselling that Keith would pick up used. We used to do a lot more men's shirts than we do now. When we first started selling, we would go to the 99-cent days into the bins, and Keith would pick up a lot of men's clothing and shirts that were his responsibility to list and picture. Photograph and list. However, since then he's gotten into the comic books and the electronics, and that's more his thing, and the clothing has fallen to me, and I really only want to deal with jeans. So we don't really have that much men's clothing. I do look at it when I'm at the thrift, because clearly if I see a Robert Graham or Purple Label Ralph Lauren, that's coming home with me. But this used to be a decent bread and butter brand. I haven't listed it in a long time, so I don't know if that's changed. Because, people race to the bottom. And speaking of Robert Graham, new tags. Couldn't be more excited. I don't remember this being part of what I picked out. Oh my goodness. Jay, did you sneak this in here? Is this a sneak in? Because I don't remember this. I think I would really remember a 2XL Robert Graham new tags. Now, this isn't one of the ones with the wild graphics on it or anything. It does have a nice embroidery. I don't know if you can see that. It has the flip cuffs. I love Robert Graham. I honestly didn't know that this was Robert Graham when I mentioned Robert Graham as an example, because I use this brand as an example every time I talk about men's clothing. It's still my favorite, and I never pass it up. And this is new with tags and 2XL and embroidered. It was originally $248. Somebody has made it their business. I'm seeing if I can cut it off. They have made it their business to write $30 on there, so I'm going to cut that. I'm going to cut it right off. And I'm going to follow my rule of what I sell new tags for, which is 40% off the MSRP. So I'm going to list this for right around 149, 150. And we shall see. I'm going to set this bad boy over here because I want to get that up this weekend. Oh my gosh. More trousers. If these are, no, these are size 10. So I can't do one listing with different sizes available. I don't like to get into all of that because I like to be really, really fast when I list. From list perfectly to the cross posting. So unless it's the exact identical item, I'll do multi-quantity on that. But when I have different, same thing, different sizes, I don't do the listings where they can choose their different sizes or colors or whatever. I'll just make 2 listings. Okay, we got some stuff. We have a U.S. Polo Association. Keith used to like these too. These do really well, or they used to. It's been a while since I've really dabbled big time in men's clothes. Like I said, I will glance at them when I'm at the thrift, and I know what to look for still. A lot of stuff has been raced to the bottom, unfortunately. Oregon Duck, all over windbreaker. We've got a Nike. Oh, this is really nice. This is a Nike large zip up hoodie. Oh my gosh, this is no star. You can't keep it. I can't have it. I gotta sell it. I kept some things out of the first box. Or one. I kept the Michael Myers shirt. Goody low? Goody Ello? I don't know. It's big. It's warm. It's fluffy. It was $1. All right. There's a couple more things in here. We'll pull this over. Sorry. I promise I'm organized and I know what I'm doing and I make videos for a living. Professionalism at its finest. All right, we have some more universal thread. This is an extra small pair of sweatpants. And Wild Fable new tags. Just black sweatpants. Universal thread jeans, new tags. Like I said, this brand, if I see it used at the thrift, I don't really pick it up. But if I get it in a thread up box, I'm not mad about it. So I like that I got it new tags. More Wild Fable. Again, shorts are different. These can probably sell for about $18. So I do remember these now. There were a bunch of these Lees. I remember picking these out. Regular fit trousers. These are size 4, and these are size 12. And the black ones here, they're all new tags. Black ones are size 8. More of the Lees. These are cute. These are plaid. Trousers. Their sizes are usually on the back. Size 8. These are really cute. Oh, look, there's more. 10, 12. Just different sizes. On something like this, I would be tempted to use keywords maybe like goth, dark academia, maybe even steampunk. That's pushing it. But with the plaid, I might use different keywords than normal. Okay, this is size 18. I love 18. These are all new tags, by the way. These are Lee size 18, so they're plus size. They're the trouser fit jeans. I've always done really well with trouser fit jeans and plus size. These are trouser fit black, just plain black, size 18. More trouser fit jeans, size 8. and size 6. So that's all of the items that were in this box. And like I said, I'm going to prioritize the last 2 boxes I've opened this week because it's majority new with tags, and I think people are going to be shopping soon. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns about anything you saw today, let me know. And don't forget to watch the other 2 videos I'll have pop here and here for you so you can see what else I got and hear the story of how I got it. Until next time, go be productive, go make some money. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.